Tired of the hassle of traditional vehicle service contracts? Tired of not knowing which parts are covered and claims that get denied? With VIP Warranty, we're changing the game. Stop the insanity. No more confusing plan levels and endless fine print. VIP Warranty offers one level of coverage so it's easy to understand. No more agonizing over pricing and being tortured with aggressive sales calls and endless emails. Our online platform gives you instant, personalized quotes in seconds. No more long-term contracts. One coverage. Choose how much you want and pay as you go. Get your quote online at your own pace with no obligation. VIP Warranty, simple claims, great customer service, repair facilities nationwide. We have your back. Check out our website or get your pricing below.